Hello everyone, this is the most important part of the decoder. I call it core part. Replace the core part is not difficult. You need to pay attention to the orientation of some parts and follow our steps. You can do it by yourself. A hammer, a screwdriver, a roll of tape, a pair of small pins. That's what we need. Now we're gonna show you how to do it. First, unscrew the pair of blade screws. Okay, perfect. Then we remove the 3 screws nearby the knob. There are totally 3 screws. This is the first one. This is the second. The third one. Okay, perfect. Furthermore, we're gonna use the hammer to remove the silver nail slightly in the middle of the shell. And before that, please look at both sides of the nail. One side is larger, another side, this side, it's smaller. And we need the smaller side to be tapped later. Please don't tap the larger side, it's dangerous. Please remember, okay? Take out the pipe. Okay. Perfect. Now we are ready to use the new core part, replace the old core part. Okay, we put it into the pipe. Fix this part. Okay. Now we need to make sure that the entire body is inserted in correct orientation. So how to get the correct orientation? Look at here. The first hole is on the left side, will be the correct orientation. And another side, the first hole is on the right. That will be the wrong orientation. Okay, and make it make the body flat and towards ourselves. Okay, please continue. We put it back to the shell. Okay, look at it here. The hole is blocked now. Later, we will pull the nails through the hole but now it's blocked. So here we need to rotate the yellow screw a little. Okay, rotate. Okay, so that make the hole appear 100%. If the hole is not 100% appear, don't tap the nail, okay? Okay, now look at the nail. One side is larger and another side it's smaller, and this time we need tap the larger side. Okay, go ahead. Tap it slightly. Perfect. Put on these screws. The pipe also has rotation. Please try to rotate the pipe. It's smoothly. It works well. Let's try to rotate the pipe 180 degrees now. Okay. It's stuck. Now it's stuck with wrong rotation. Okay, now we turn it back. Okay, that is the correct orientation. Now we put on the rest of the screws. Put on the rest of the screws. Continue. The replacing is down now. It works well. Okay.